Hey guys, today I received something that I've been waiting for a long time. Uh, Wyze Video Doorbell. I'm very excited. I ordered this in September and it's February 9th today. And so yeah, it took about 3.5 months or 4.5 months actually to receive it. Yeah, it was a pre-order, but I ordered it the same day when they announced it. So I'm sure I'm among the first ones who received this doorbell. So yeah, I'm really excited about it. This video doorbell is from Wyze, and if it is anything like their cameras, I have a bunch of them. I have V2s and V3s and even the pan and cam, and I have located them all around my house for security surveillance, and they have been working really well. So if this is anything like their security cameras, that would be amazing. So I already have a doorbell, but it's a Chinese knockoff, and it's not just not responsive. But I also have the on my front door. I have a UFI security camera as well. So it would be great to replace that doorbell with this doorbell. And if it is as responsive as their cameras, that would be wonderful. So let's open it up. Well, before we do that, let's take a look at their features. It says that it has 1080p plus video resolution. I think it's probably because of this thing. It has some weird aspect ratio, but it's a good thing. It has 3:4 aspect ratio, so it's not 16:9. It's not 4:3, which it could be. It's 3:4, which means that it's less wide than it is high or tall. Mainly because since it's a doorbell camera, it's supposed to capture the full view of the person coming in, approaching the door. So that's why they have chosen to use this camera as in 3:4 mode instead of 4:3 aspect ratio. So that's nice. It has night vision. I don't think it has the starlight sensor, which V3 has, but it has night vision, which probably is the infrared based night vision. And then they have, as usual, they have 12-second clips stored free in the cloud for 14 days. So yeah, if whatever it captures, any event that it captures, any kind of motion or anything, it gets stored in the cloud and it stays there for 14 days. And that service is absolutely free. So that's extremely wonderful. And then there is this motion detection, obviously, which is free, and it comes with the service. So that's nice. And it's IP65 weatherproof, which is pretty good rating actually. It does mean that it actually is a splash proof, so it can be splashed with water and it will still be just fine. So you can easily install it outdoors, where in open, where it can tolerate all the rain and snow and stuff falling on it. So it should be just fine. And then they have two-way audio. And I hope that this is full duplex. I hope so, because V3 has full duplex, but Wisecam V2 used to have half duplex audio connection, so I'm assuming, I hope that it's full duplex here. They also support person detection, but of course this is a Cam Plus subscription-based service. You have to pay some amount. I don't remember exactly, but it's not a whole lot. It's like around $15 per year or something. I'll display the amount on the screen. So yeah, so I'm really excited about this. Let's open it up and see what it has. Look at this. So I think this is come on. This is the chime. It comes with chime, so that's really wonderful. And the chime also is Wi-Fi chime actually, so it connects via Wi-Fi to your phone. You can buy more of these as well to put it around your house if if you have a multi-story house or something. So that's cool. And this thing is like $30. It's amazing. I mean, if this is a really good, if it has a good camera in it, then that basically, the doorbells are really expensive. I mean, Ring doorbells are like $200 range. As I said, the camera is as good as Wisecam, then this is gonna be really really wonderful. Actually, this is gonna make a huge difference in the doorbell market. So yeah, here it is, the doorbell itself. It's amazing how tiny it is. It looks really good. The one that I have right now is like this big, and that's usually the size of the Ring doorbell is that kind of size. So there is a button here for people to press, but I believe that it's going to notify anyways as soon as it's going to detect the motion outside, so before somebody can press the button. And this button should basically end up in ringing this chime, or however many chimes you have. So yeah, that's the doorbell, and let's take a look what this is. Come on, open up. It's really nice and tightly packed. So this is the mounting bracket. If your door is not facing straight where the entry path is, you could basically use this to make it either point towards the right or towards the left. I'm assuming you can make it with either way, I guess. Maybe not. Maybe it can only be turned right or something. I don't know. Yeah, we will see. Hey, this is me from the future. So I just realized that this plate actually comes off. So yeah, if you just insert it like this, the way it comes in the box, it will be able to tilt it towards the left. But if you really want it to tilt towards the right, what you'll have to do is to pull it out and just insert it this way, and then screw it here. So it will be, tilting it towards the right. So yeah, it's smart. Let's see what else we have. And then we have a sticker. Oh, there is something else here too. So some hardware it comes with. And it has a sticker that says I bagged Wyze Doorbell. So that's nice. Yeah. They have the similar sticker for their cameras also. And here is the quick start guide. And usually, it's very trivial to connect any of these devices, and they happen, instantly. You just follow the instructions on the app, and you can do it. So this is not a whole lot needed, but yeah, they provide this. It's nice. So yeah, that's the Wyze Doorbell unboxing. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That really means a lot to me. Watch my other videos about the Wyze Doorbell, like setup and installation, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.